Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. And I want to talk to you guys about the concession arrangement for this road. Now, when this road was built, the Jamaican government spent $188 million to build it. It was to be a part of Highway 2000. Now, a concession was given to Trans Jamaica Highway to collect toll on the Kingston to Maypen leg of this highway because they spent the money to build the highway. So they were given a concession to collect toll to pay back for the building of the highway. It was done through a French company, and I think China Harbour Engineering Company built another section of the road. But at the end of the day, money was spent to build the road. The Jamaican government didn't spend the money. The company or the foreign company spent the money, built the road, and would charge toll through a concession to pay back for the building of the road. So that's great. It's working. They're making millions of dollars. But this section of the road was not built by Trans Jamaica Highway. So how do they want to collect toll on this section of the road? Guys, maybe I'm missing something. So what do you think? The Jamaican government built this road. There is no way somebody could collect toll on it. If Trans Jamaica Highway wants to collect toll, they need to go and build a highway, spend the money to build a highway, then you collect toll. As a matter of fact, I can even give them a suggestion. The original route of this highway, Trans Jamaica Highway, should go and build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay along the original route. Kingston to Maypen is built already. They are collecting toll on it. Trans Jamaica Highway needs to go and spend some of the millions that they are making at the toll plaza and build a toll road from Maypen to Montego Bay and collect toll on it. I cannot understand how they expect to collect toll on a road that the Jamaican government built. Guys, maybe I'm missing something. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, this section of the road, Maypen to Mandeville, should be free because the Jamaican government paid for it. And they plan to build this road extend the construction of this road to Black River or Hodges in St. Elizabeth, right on the outskirts of Black River, and then on to Negril. And if the Jamaican government pays for the building of the road, no way they should charge toll on it. As I said earlier, if Trans Jamaica Highway wants to collect toll, they need to build the road. They need to spend the money, build the road, and charge toll. I think the road from Maypen, this road, all the way to Negril, should not be a toll road. The government of Jamaica now has the money to build these roads. Build it, no toll. Trans Jamaica Highway, build a road. Remember, the alignment changed for this highway. The highway was not to go this route. The highway was not to go through St. Elizabeth or Junction, Balaclava, Black River into Negril. The highway was to go more inland through Balaclava into Montego Bay. So that is where Trans Jamaica Highway needs to build a highway and collect toll. So they built a toll plaza. We passed through it earlier. They built a toll plaza on this road, yet spent no money. They put up signs to say Trans Jamaica Highway is collecting toll, yet they spent no money to build the road. This one I just don't get. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. Now, as it is today, no toll is being collected on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway because the Jamaican government, using taxpayer money, or maybe they got a loan, I don't know. The Jamaican government built the road, not Trans Jamaica Highway. Now, every other concession agreement in Jamaica has the person holding the concession spending some money. From Kingston to Maypen, the person holding the concession spent the money to build the road. From Kingston to Ocho Rios, the person holding the concession spent the money to build the road. At all the airports, the person holding the concession spent money to upgrade the airports. So how can Trans Jamaica Highway, who spent $0, I don't even know if they paid to put up their signs, how can they expect to collect toll on this road when they never spent any money to build it? Guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.